Alam mo ba na for as low as 2,999 only, pwede ka nang mag-reserve ng dream home mo? Yup, dito sa Primeward Enclave, abot kaya ng sariling bahay. Located sa Barangay Kaingin, San Rafael, Bulacan. Ito ay 2-story townhouse na complete finish na may 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath at parking space na kasya ang sedan type na sasakyan. May standard size na 41 square meter lot area at 47 square meter naman sa floor area. May big windows for good ventilation and natural light kaya maliwalas at maliwanag ang buong bahay. May service area ka na rin for your laundry or extra kitchen space na pwede mong ipa-enclose for your privacy. Pwede mo rin gawing storage cabinet itong baba ng hagdan para maging functional. Naka-tiles na mula first hanggang second floor kaya wala ka nang ipapagawa. Floor may toilet and bath na rin at syempre may 2 bedrooms, sakto para sa kids or office space mo. Perfect ito for families or those who working from home. At hindi lang yan, sa loob ng subdivision may basketball court, playground for kids at clubhouse for your family gatherings. Lahat ito ay secured 24/7 sa isang gated community. Safe and fun for the whole family. Malapit din ito sa mga schools, wet and dry markets kaya napaka-accessible. Plus, malapit din sa mga resorts kaya pwede mo pang gawing Airbnb for extra income. Ito ay for as low as 2,999 reservation fee at para sa monthly down payment ay nasa 7,600 lang for up to 24 months, habang 10,000 naman ang monthly amortization mo through Pag-ibig Financing. Ito ay for a maximum of 30 years. Ang kailangan mo lang ay 32,000 monthly income to qualify, kaya avail na habang mura pa. Message me today para sa free site tripping and more details.